Good afternoon, teachers. Today I will show you how to create your signature. Once you are in your email, what you'll want to do is in this top right section, you see this little scroll bar or this little wheel. Please click on the wheel and then go to the section that says settings. In settings, you will be in this general tab where it says right here, general. You'll be able to scroll all the way down, and then you'll see a section that says signature. All right, so by default, I believe it'll say no signature, but you want to hit this where it says appended at the end of outgoing all messages. And then in here, you would like to put some information. So your name, some titles that you may have, your email as well, and then a phone number that parents or families can reach out to you. This is my Google number. If you would like me to show you how to get a Google number, I can make a video on that as well. Below, I created a possible way for you to post the links for social media to our school, and I will show you how to do that. I will send that in the email as well. So what you would do is you would click on this insert image, and then the two images that I will send you in the email, you'll be able to click on upload. And when you click on upload, they will populate in here, both one image at a time. And after you have uploaded the image, what you will need to do is highlight over the image and then click on this sideways paperclip here, and then you will post in the link to that specific site. So for example, Facebook would have a link for Facebook, and I can give you the links for Facebook and Instagram as well. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much.